What's going on, folks? We're working on a Buick Enclave. This happens to be a 2011, and this vehicle was having a problem with, it was stuck in heat and it wouldn't go to AC pretty much when you try to turn it on. The issue that this vehicle was having was the Blend Door Actuator was messed up. And if you can look right here, I'm actually in the glove box. Right here, we took off the actual glove box itself. This is where your cabin air filter would go at, right here. And if you look right back there, that right there is your Blend Door Actuator. If you can see it, I have a new one. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But if you look right back here on the side, I'm on the side of the glove box. Looking in the side, that what you see right there is actually your Blend Door Actuator. And if that was to go out, the problem you'll have is that you won't, your AC compressor and all that could be working correctly, but when you try to turn your air, say to AC or to heat, it won't work right because it's not changing over. This right here, I'm gonna show you an actual new one so you can see what it looks like. And also, this right here is actually an Actuator right here. This is an actual new one I'm looking at right here. And if you can see what this little thing right here is what turns. If you look closely at, you'll see like little lines on there. And when you switch from, say, AC to heat, this little metal circle is supposed to turn just a little bit, putting it into the settings. So whether you're trying to get AC or trying to get heat, that should turn right there. And another way sometimes you could test them would be like on some vehicles, when you first start your vehicle up, you may see this little piece turn a little bit, or when you turn your vehicle off, you'll see it also turn a little bit. But if you ever had somebody told you that you need a Blend Door Actuator, this is what they're talking about right here. That's inside of your vehicle. This same part right here is going to be inside of your Chevy Traverses, probably about the 2008, about the 2017. The same with these Buick Enclaves. If you can see right here, that's when they actually have another one too. You have like two of them that's up inside of there. That one of them controls, like, say, from hot to cold air, and the other one controls, like, say you want to go from your cabin air blowing to, say, sending it up to your defrost. So if that one was to go out, then you'll have a problem when you're trying to put your defrost on to where it won't blow up there because that Actuator's out. And this one right here, I'm pretty sure it's the one that controls from hot to cold. This happens to be a 2011 Buick Enclave, and these Actuators are located, like I said, you go in your glove box, you want to take your glove box door down. I actually have a video up showing how to remove these doors. It's on the Chevy Traverse, but it's pretty much the same process on the Traverses as well as the Buick Enclaves. And once you take your glove box all the way out, you look over here, up back in there, and that'll be your Actuator. It's kind of difficult to get to it sometimes. You'll need like a little screwdriver and all that to take it out, but it plugs up basically with just one wire. You can look right here, it just plugs up right in there, and you'll have two screws, actually three screws that hold it on, like onto here. You have 1 through 3 screws and one plug-in. All right, folks, once again, this is where your Blend Door Actuators are located at on a Buick Enclave. This happens to be a 2011, but it's probably the same process from about the 2008 up to about the 2017. All right, folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.